Hi folks, Robert here with more Revit training. Today we're going to do a little something different. We're going to do another project. This is a little house that we're going to do, a little small house. Actually, it's going to be a rehab. This is what it was. Actually, it was a fire and it got burnt out. So what we're going to do, I don't want to bore you with these pictures. What I want to do is going to show you how we're going to rehab this whole thing. We're basically going to do just gut the whole building out because it was pretty bad shape. So anyway, I'm going to go here and we're going to start with our basement. I'm going to just show you how that basement final drawing is, or basically here it is right here. It got a laundry room. This is going to be a laundry room. We're going to do a storage here. These are the stairs. New bathroom, shower, family room, and the bedroom here. This is the lower level, which is basically the foundation of the building. So we can go here and have a quick look. We're going to model this together because I want to do plumbing. So we go here, orient to view. But where is it? Oh, sorry. Right click. Okay. Maybe I didn't see it, guys. Bear with me. A lot going on. Oriented view. There it is. Probably was there before. Sorry, guys. Okay, then we're going to go into our basement plan here in our 3D view. So this is what the basement is going to end up looking like after we model it all together. The laundry room with all the finishes and everything. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me make these videos because, yeah. But anyway, so that's going to be our basement, and then we've got we're gonna go through all these drawings, but for the extra, we're gonna do the plumbing and all the electrical for this. Yeah, these little jobs, they come along and they go, and they're pretty good. You know, it's helping out because these people, they pretty bad shape. The house got caught on fire, and so anyway. That's a 3D view. I'm going to just set this off so you can see what we're going to deal with here. So actually 2 levels here. I'm going to go do the second level here. Okay. A bit slow today. So this is a level 2. So you've got that's the 3D of level 2, basically. But the floor plan is actually going to be this. So if you want to follow along, get the dimensions of the floor plan. Where's my floor plan? There it is. This is the upper level. We've got our kitchen. We redid the kitchen here, and this is the living room, and the bedrooms are here and here, and he's got a door there, and then we've got a deck on the front and the back. So I just want to let you guys see this. This is going to be our electrical for the basement, and I didn't do the plumbing, so we're going to do that together. So we're going to do this full house in MEP. It's a small one, so it's a good exercise to learn. You guys, MEP is probably the the most challenging, or it's really the most in high demand because it pays well, and I've seen it get a lot of the potential from MEP. So this is the house we're going to do. We're going to do the decks here because the decks were burnt out. So basically, he's really getting a whole new house, and then we're going to go inside. Let me see where our kitchen. Yeah, I did this a while back, so I'm kind of refamiliarizing myself. But that's the basement. I want to go to level 2. Yeah, here. Yep. And so there you go. And then we got our regular. Here are all my plans. We got the floor plan here. Uh-oh. But anyway, roof framing. So we're gonna go through all this in this next video series. I'm trying to maybe I can knock it out in one video, but basically this little small house, we're gonna do it in MEP. We're gonna do all the electrical and do the landscaping and everything. So anyway, guys, appreciate you watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I really need subscribers and super thanks, whatever you can do, because this software is very expensive, and I'm looking for a reseller, somebody that can sell this for cheap, because it's very expensive. I don't even make enough money to afford the software. So the money I make here is nowhere near what the software costs. And now I'm still in 23. So hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So this is what we're gonna do next. It's gonna be a nice one. A lot of we're gonna do everything, MEP structure. And so I might do a short one, I might just take it to the end. We do it all in one video. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye. Be safe, y'all.